If you're wondering how to offer discounts and promotions in Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to level up your business, I'll walk you through exactly how to take advantage of this powerful tool to attract more clients and drive sales. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use discounts and promotions effectively, so stay tuned. Before we dive into the details, keep in mind that you can try Housecall Pro for free right now by clicking the first link below. Plus, we have some exclusive bonuses available only for our viewers, so don't miss out on that. Now, let's get started with how to offer discounts and promotions in Housecall Pro. The first thing to know is that Housecall Pro offers a built-in system for adding discounts to your invoices, making it super easy to apply price reductions. This can be done directly from the Add Item section when creating an invoice. You'll see an option to add a discount. Simply choose the percentage or dollar amount you want to discount and apply it to the total. You can even set this discount for specific customers or services, giving you flexibility in how you tailor offers. If you're looking to create promotional pricing for specific clients or a limited time, Housecall Pro allows you to set up price rules. This is a great feature for businesses running seasonal discounts or special offers. You can set the rule for specific timeframes, services, or clients, and the software will automatically apply it when conditions are met. Housecall Pro also has a smart system for tracking these discounts. For instance, if you want to monitor how effective a specific promotion has been, you can check your revenue reports to see how often these discounts are being used. This allows you to quickly assess the impact of your promotions and adjust your strategy as needed. Knowing what works is key to optimizing your offers. For those running larger businesses, Housecall Pro makes it easy to set up recurring discounts for loyal customers. You can create discounts that automatically apply on repeat visits or for specific customers who subscribe to your service. This is especially useful for businesses in industries like cleaning, HVAC, or home maintenance. Another fantastic feature is the ability to combine discounts with other promotions or services. For example, if you're running a bundle promotion where customers receive a discount when purchasing multiple services, Housecall Pro allows you to set this up seamlessly. The software automatically calculates the right discount based on the services added to the invoice, making your promotions efficient and error-free. A key part of offering effective promotions in Housecall Pro is the communication side. Once you've set up your discounts, Housecall Pro integrates with your customer messaging system, allowing you to notify customers about the promotion directly. This can be done via email, text, or even through push notifications on the mobile app, ensuring that your promotions are front and center. As you get more comfortable with the software, you'll find that customizing promotions becomes even easier. You can create specific discount codes, apply them automatically or manually, and even track which clients use them. Whether it's a flat rate discount, a percentage off, or a seasonal deal, you have total control over how discounts are applied. Finally, a great way to boost the effectiveness of your discounts and promotions is by combining them with your business's marketing efforts. If you're running ads or social media campaigns, mention the specific promotions you're offering to create urgency and attract new clients. Housecall Pro helps by providing you with the data you need to fine-tune these campaigns, ensuring you're getting the most out of every discount or promotion you offer. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using Housecall Pro for free with our exclusive trial, which you can access via the first link below. It's the perfect opportunity to explore all these features, including the ability to offer discounts and promotions, and see how they can transform your business. By the way, don't forget to check out our extended free trial when you click the link. You won't want to miss out on this opportunity to get started with one of the best business tools out there, so that's a quick overview of how to offer discounts and promotions in Housecall Pro. It's a super powerful tool that will help you grow your business. And with our exclusive free trial, there's no reason not to dive in today.